Wonder what this is. Timbit, what's this? Timbit got another free gift. Timbit looks excited. Oh, Timbit's so excited. Let's find out what this is. Hold on, let me take the knife. Hey, watch out. I don't want to cut his head off. That would be so weird. Okay. All right, let's open this up. Timbit, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's soft and chewy. Let's see, is there a note in there? Who's it from? Nope. But let's open this up and see if Timbit likes them. Of course he will. Do you want one of these, buddy? Okay, where's the thing? Where's the extra? There it is. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry, this video isn't as good as the other one there. I want to open. Okay, I'll just stick it with my power finger. All right, let's see if he likes these. Just give me one. There we go. Here. Sit. Or don't. Oh, so he takes a treat, then he sits. All right. Hey, sit. Good boy. All right. Thank you, whoever that was. That was very nice. We got ourselves so soft and chewy, or if it's French, tendre et fondance. So thank you very much.